Welcome back MH Car Review everyone. Today we're going to take a deep dive into one of the most futuristic and jaw-dropping creations ever imagined, the Bugatti future truck concept. Yes, you heard that right. Bugatti has stepped beyond hypercars and into an entirely new dimension of automotive design with this revolutionary concept that blends performance, luxury, and innovation like never before. Starting with the exterior, this design is absolutely breathtaking. The body is sculpted with smooth aerodynamic curves and a sleek two-tone finish of white and yellow, giving it that signature Bugatti elegance mixed with futuristic flair. The front fascia showcases slim LED matrix headlights, a modern reinterpretation of the iconic Bugatti styling. Its massive panoramic windshield merges seamlessly with the roof, creating a cockpit-like cabin that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. The sides are clean, with minimal lines, and those large enclosed wheels add to the aerodynamic efficiency while making the vehicle look ultra-modern and powerful. The presence alone of this machine demands attention. It's not just a vehicle, it's a piece of moving art. Stepping inside, the interior feels more like entering a high-end luxury apartment than a vehicle. Everything inside is designed for ultimate comfort and technology. The seats are wrapped in fine leather with ambient lighting running across the panels, creating a calm yet elegant atmosphere. The dashboard features a full digital display with holographic controls, offering a futuristic driving experience. The cabin space includes a living area, kitchen setup, and even a bathroom, making it a full luxury home on wheels. Every detail inside follows Bugatti's tradition of craftsmanship combined with state-of-the-art innovation. When it comes to performance, even though this is a concept, Bugatti's DNA ensures it's no slouch. The concept is imagined to be powered by a hybrid or full electric system delivering monstrous torque and instant acceleration. Despite its size, the design focuses on smooth handling, powerful aerodynamics, and next-generation efficiency. It's built to move with elegance and authority, redefining what a luxury performance vehicle can be. As for the price, Bugatti hasn't made anything official since it's still a concept,